Here, I will show you how to enable edge lighting for notification in Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile. Go to your settings. In settings, you have to open notifications. Here, tap on notification pop-up style. And here, notification pop-up style, I'm selecting brief. And tap on edge lighting style. And here we can see our current notification. Now under effect, you can go ahead and select effect for edge lighting effect. So you can select any of them, and here you can see the live preview of the effect. I'm selecting fireworks, and now go to color section and here select auto color. And now you can go ahead and select a different color for your edge lighting. And go to advanced. Here you can adjust your effect transparency and your effect duration, just like so. In my case, I'm selecting here the blue color, and tapping on done. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to add edge lighting notification style in Samsung Galaxy device. Thanks for watching.